Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel Business by World. Today, we're diving into a topic that has captured the attention of investors and tech-savvy individuals alike: making money with cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, this guide will provide you with valuable insights on how to navigate the exciting world of digital currencies and potentially turn a profit. So let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the strategies, let's lay down the groundwork. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that uses cryptography for secure transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others known as altcoins. To get started, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store and manage your digital assets securely. Number 2. Investment strategies. Strategy 1. HODLing. Hold on for dear life. One of the simplest approaches is holding onto your cryptocurrencies for the long term. This strategy, known as HODLing, involves buying and holding onto your coins, hoping their value will increase over time. Remember, patience is key with this strategy. Strategy 2. Trading. Day trading. This involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single day to profit from short-term price fluctuations. It requires a good understanding of technical analysis and market trends. Strategy 3. Swing trading. Unlike day trading, swing traders hold their positions for a few days or weeks, aiming to capture price swings during trends. Research and timing are crucial here. Strategy 4. Scalping. Scalpers make quick, small trades to capture tiny price movements. This strategy demands a deep understanding of market order flow. Number 3. Diversification. Just like traditional investments, diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio can help manage risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies with different use cases and potential for growth. Number 4. Yield-generating strategies. Staking. Some cryptocurrencies offer staking, where you lock up a certain amount of coins to support network operations and earn rewards in return. Number 5. Navigating the risks. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be incredibly volatile. While this presents profit opportunities, it also poses significant risks. Number 6. Research, research, research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, conduct thorough research. Understand the technology, the team behind it, its use cases, and its potential for mass adoption. Number 7. Avoiding scams and risks. Beware of scams, Ponzi schemes, and projects promising guaranteed returns. Stick to reputable exchanges and wallets, and never share your private keys. Number 8. Keeping up with the market. Cryptocurrency markets operate 24/7, so staying updated is essential. Follow news, trends, and regulatory changes that could impact the market. Number 9. Embracing new opportunities. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These unique digital assets have gained massive popularity. Artists, musicians, and even content creators are monetizing their work through NFTs. Number 10. Managing taxes. Cryptocurrency tax regulations vary by country. Keep records of your transactions and consult a tax professional to ensure compliance. Conclusion. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to make money with cryptocurrency. Remember, while the potential for profit is high, so are the risks. Whether you're HODLing, trading, staking, or exploring new opportunities like NFTs, always approach the market with caution. Do your due diligence, and consider seeking advice from financial experts. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Happy investing!